Do you want to become a VTuber?
Yes!
Do you want to talk through your very own OC?
Yes.
Cause same. After uploading my first speed paint to the channel, I realized my speed paint was looking a little bare. It needed spice, more entertainment value, and I thought, what if I add little voiceovers through a cute anime girl? I sat at my desk for hours, for days, watching tutorials trying to rig my character as a complete noob, pulling my hair out. And I don't think anyone needs to suffer more than they already will signing up to rig their own VTuber model. So I'm making this video to not only tell you my personal experience, but I'm hoping this video can be a directory for all the tutorials I found helpful, plus tips, basic troubleshooting that are difficult to find answers for. I will put chapters for different topics, so feel free to browse for your answers. I use Procreate to draw my model, but you can use any drawing app that exports in Photoshop document in PSD. I don't know why I said Photoshop document. First things first, figure out what you want your model to look like. You can make a half body model or a full body. I went with half body. Even if you want just the moving head, make sure to have a neck and torso to attach to. Once you're ready to draw your model, I set my canvas size to 2600 by 2600, 300 dpi, and Procreate limit my canvas to 35 layers, but that is fine. For my Procreate users, once you reach your canvas limit, duplicate your canvas and draw on multiple canvases, and you will be able to import multiple canvases in Live 2D. Symmetry down canvas, and if you don't know how to do it, here it is on the screen. Now, when drawing your model, I recommend having these layers. Hair separated into at least 2 parts, front and back, but more parts equals better flowy look. Face line art, face space, face shadow, left ear, left eyebrow, right eyebrow. And also, my face, I have the line art and face space. I don't even have a shadow, all merged. It works, but as you can see, your model might look flat at times, so I recommend separating the 3. And we also got the eye line, the eye pupil, eye whites with the shadow merged, the eye waterline, and also if you want eyelashes for your bottom lash, I strongly recommend not separating them because I had mine separated. It was not a fun time, so I recommend merging your eyelashes to your waterline. And then we've got nose, lip top, lip bottom, top teeth, bottom teeth, tongue, back teeth, mouth base. And as for the neck, make sure to make it super long. When it's short, you're gonna have problems with the head rotation. And then we've got the arms, the torso, and a shirt. If you want any other clothing, make sure you separate it accordingly. To import in Live 2D, drag from your folder and then drop. This one's so simple that not a lot of tutorials mention it, so here you go. Okay, from here on out, I followed merely.wufeii's tutorial. She is amazing. Her tutorials are concise and to the point. I highly recommend you try and follow through her eye tutorial. You will have to rewatch and rewind it a lot, but once you complete it, you will understand how to navigate through Live 2D more. I think I spent a week rigging my character, so it's very possible to have your own completed model just with the free trial. Now we will be going through some problems I ran into while rigging. Oh no, I forgot to import this very specific part. Oh no, I need to import multiple canvases. If this is you, check this video out by Cutie Dragon. It is so simple, her video says it all. I will link it in the description. Oh no, part of my drawing isn't showing up. What should I do? there are two types of solutions. Once you've imported your drawing, auto-meshed it, then Atlas textured it, only to find this red text pop up. Press OK for now. Then select your layer and cut it. This happens when your drawing's too tiny or you accidentally left pixels on your canvas while exporting. And all you have to do is create a new art mesh for it, then manual mesh it. So click manual mesh and you might have this big box like I do. Erase the points, then click the add points and do something like this. And connect the points to make triangles. Then texture it and it should pop up on the right where you need to right click and click this. Then auto placement it or manually drag it to an empty part of your canvas. And then there are gonna be times when your drawing partially shows up. This is gonna be a manual mesh as well, but all you have to do is add more points to include the whole drawing. And I like to size it down to fit the drawing perfectly. Then texture it, add it from the right click, place it in your empty canvas, then you're done. Are you trying to create a deformer but keep getting this message? It means you're selecting layers of different hierarchy. Basically, you can select layers that are all in the same level like these, but you can't mix layers that are different levels. WufeII has a post about it if you are still confused. Did you get this message? This means you're trying to set 3+ parameters for a single deformer, and Live2D does not recommend you doing that. They won't stop you though, and you can do 4 parameters, but it's better to create a new deformer and continue from there. And yes, you can create multiple deformers for the same mesh. These were the main problems I ran into mid-rig that made me panic, so I'm hoping this helped you. As for the results of rigging as a complete beginner, how do you like my model? It's a little simple, but I'm proud of what I've created. As for my lovely subscribers, do not worry, I will be back to posting speed paints and bring some fun stories to tell. Until next time.